Hello guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be putting you through how to participate in Movement Labs Testnet. Movement is a new blockchain that aims at combining the functionality of Move and EVM through a modular approach. Movement has raised over $41 million in funding from a number of investors, including Binance Lab. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be putting you through how to participate in their testnet. Okay, before we dive right into this tutorial, please be reminded that you can support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat. The contract address of WikiCat will be in the description of this video. Alright, so let's dive right into today's tutorial. So let's open Mrs. Browser. So we're going to open the link to their platform, paste, search. Alright guys, so we're going to select download. Alright, select add to Chrome. Okay. Alright, so the extension has been added to our Mrs. Browser. So we're going to start by setting up our wallet. Select this, start. Create a new wallet. So this is your recovery phrase. So after you have saved them, you can then select this. Set up your password, proceed, done. Alright, so let's open our wallet. Razor wallet. Enter your password. First off, come over here and change these to M1 Devnet. Okay, next we're going to select faucet. Okay guys, so once you tap this faucet, you should be credited with Move token, but at the moment it's actually not functional, right? So you can try some other time. I'm just going to show you what you can do with your funds once they are credited into your wallet. You're going to go over to your decentralized exchange, so let's go there. So I'll just paste the link and search. So once you're here, the first thing is to connect your wallet. Connect Razor wallet. Okay, so we're connected, and you can see we have still not gotten the Move token in our wallet. So once your Move token have been credited, right, pretty much easy. Just input the amount of Move that you want to swap, and then choose the token you want to swap to. Right, let's choose Razor. You can then go ahead to complete the transaction here once you have funds in your wallet. So once you're done swapping, right, the next thing to do is to add liquidity to a liquidity pool, right? And you know what adding liquidity entails, right? You're going to need two tokens. You're going to need a token pair, right? So that's why it's even important to swap first. So once you have swapped, you can then come to pool and then select add liquidity. All right, so pretty straightforward. Select the first coin, Move, and then select the second, Razor. Input the amount of Move that you want to add, and then it replicates the value for the second coin. So if you have these funds in your wallet, you can now go ahead to complete this transaction. Another engagement is on Galaxy. So let's go over to Galaxy. Alright guys, so first off, we're going to log in. So I'm going to log in with my Twitter account because I tried MetaMask and it wasn't responding. So Twitter, authorize app. Alright guys, so once you're connected, select this. So basically we want to complete tax, and this is the only available tax for now, so you can come to check as regular as you can for new tax. But let's complete these tax. I'll have to bind my email, so input my email address, verify. Okay, so once you're done, you can then go over to do the tax. We are to visit their Twitter account, so let's base it. Okay, so you can go ahead to follow them, go back and refresh this. Okay, our tags have been verified, so we can then claim our points. Alright guys, so we've gotten 5 points. So that's pretty much it. You want to come over here to check if there are new tasks, to complete. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share our videos, turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video.